Stacy, personally speaking, why don't you join me? I'm exiting the subway to go and pick up my bicycle, which I parked before. Normally, I would go through these barriers to collect my bicycle, but I'm showing you where I would go if I'm just parking. Here, I would push the green button and collect a ticket, which would open those flappy barriers that you saw earlier. And I would push through and go with my bicycle. But since I'm collecting my bicycle, I'm just gonna walk through this kind of maze area, as you saw the other person in front of me did. And before I can exit, because I'm passing my bicycle on the right, I have to go first and pay. So you saw that lady ahead, she actually stopped at these machines, these yellow machines here. So I am going to first pay by pressing the payment button. It's blue and it actually has some English on it. You press that first, and then the same card that you got when you entered, you're gonna turn the arrow side up and put it in, and that will facilitate you paying. However, my card was rejected at this point, saying it was invalid. I'm not sure why, but then I started the process again and it was accepted this time. The parking is only 100 yen, but when I use my Manaka card or my train card, I only pay 99 yen. So you have to press that yellow button first and then touch the card area, and then it prints something on the card. You take it, and that card will allow me to exit legally. But here I'm picking up my bicycle first. Quite huge, has been serving me very well, and saving me some money. And there the guy has gone through. As you can see, he stops to insert the card and the barriers open, and I am doing the same with the same card. So the card is taken and you don't get to take it with you at this point. And that's it for parking bicycles. Like, share and subscribe. Put a comment below this. Check out the description.